Claude just dropped another bomb. Not only did they announce two new models, Sonnet 3.5 and Claude 3.5 Haiku, the faster version, but also they announced computer use, a new way of using AI. Heading over to the official Claude announcement, we can read the announcement of the two new models, but also they show a video about computer use that can be used for automating operations on your computer. So let's look at it together.
So I'm Sam, and I'm one of the researchers here at Anthropic. Computer use is something that we felt was going to be important for a while now. And so today we're going to be talking about a very early version we have of computer use and walking through a representative example of the things we think it's going to be useful for.
Today, computer use is still in beta, but you can already start using it. And later on in the video, we will show you how you can actually play with it yourself.
We're going to be going through a demo today. In this fictional demo, a customer, in this case the Ant Equipment Company, has come to us and asked us to fill out a vendor request form. The data I need to fill out this form is scattered in various places on my computer. What we're going to do is ask Claude to look at the spreadsheet, check if Ant Equipment is in there, and if not, move over to the CRM and try and find some more information there. Once it has this data, Claude's going to then fill out the form for us and hopefully transfer the information across to the vendor form. The first thing that's going to happen is Claude's going to start taking screenshots of my screen and quickly realizes that the Ant Equipment Company isn't actually in the spreadsheet. So the first thing it does is it swaps over to a CRM and searches for the company we're interested in.
So this is how it actually works. Computer use not only can make use of some tools. One of the tools it can use is the ability to take screenshots, which it will then feed back not only to the AI to interpret what is on the screen. They also give it tools so that it can operate the cursor, and it can also interpret where the cursor is on the screen.
We get a search match, and Claude then starts scrolling through the page, looking for all the information it needs to fill out this form. Claude then autonomously starts transferring the information across without me having to do anything, and goes through the steps and fills out all the information needed. And then submits the form. This example is representative of a lot of drudge work that people have to do. This is available in the API. We're excited for people to try it, and we should expect things to get a lot better over the coming months.
This was a demo. Let me now show you how you can use it. If you want to start testing computer use, Anthropic created a reference implementation. You can just install on your computer and experiment with it. I did it already, and I will show you later how it can be done. But on the Anthropic documentation pages, you will find in the API documentation, you will find instructions on how to implement this. Important to understand is that this is a containerized environment, which means it runs in a secure environment on your computer, so it cannot step out of the container and touch anything on your computer. It should not be touching, so it's absolutely safe to use. Not only did they put it in a container, but they also gave it the necessary tools, and not only so it can interact with the computer. And in addition, they also gave us a web interface, so we can actually interact with the computer use model, but also through the code and the tools, give it instructions that it can then execute for us. So to actually run the container, there are a couple of things you need to do. First of all, you need to have Docker enabled on your system. So I just run Docker desktop. You can go to the Docker site, download the desktop, install it, and then you should be able to run any Docker command on your terminal. The next thing you would do is you would go to the Anthropic website. From the Anthropic website, create an account, get your API keys. So you simply would go to keys, create keys, give it a name, select the workspace. Use, add. Copy that key. Put that key in this spot, copy this command, open a terminal, and finally paste in that command, press enter, and then it should run. So once you did all of this, you can open the interface if you go to the local host link, or if that would not work, you can try to open the desktop view and the Streamlit interface separately. So let's now test it. Not only did it get me today's headline. Let's see how it does. It was able to open already, identify and open Firefox. It took a screenshot. It will now, like, this is actually going pretty fast. This is real time. So it already managed to find the information on the Reuters website, and it is now trying to save the file. It already created the file and now shows the contents of the text file. Claude team actually posted a quick video about how Claude actually took a break from coding and began to look at pictures from Yellowstone. I guess we all have ADHD sometimes. It can happen to the best of us. So I hope you enjoyed today's session. Happy to help if you have any questions. So let me know how you are using the beta version of computer use. Put it in the comments below and let's see what creative uses we can think of. Still in beta, but I think it's already very nice to experiment and to get an early start on this tool and how it will evolve. Very excited to use it in the future.